In this how-to video, I'm going to show you how to create call lists and import contacts. Let's go ahead and log in to ringblaster.com. After we log in here, I'm going to demonstrate how to create a call list, in this case for a baseball team. In future how-to videos in this series, we're going to use the same call list to start a call campaign and a call broadcast. Okay, we're logged in now at the dashboard page. Now the first thing we want to do is click right here on the Contacts tab. Since this is our first time entering a Manage Contacts page, notice we don't have any call lists. So let's start a new call list. Let's name it Baseball Team. The baseball team list has been created, but we still need to add contacts to this list. So let's click on the Add Contact button to add a new team member. The first contact will be John Smith. Here I'm typing in this contact manually. Okay, let's save this and let's add another team member. This manual approach is pretty fast if you only have, say, 10 or 20 contacts to your call list. But if you need to add hundreds or thousands, I suggest you import your call list into RingBlaster. I'll show you how to import a CSV file in a moment. Okay, we're going to save our second contact name, Ray Brown, who is our second team member. Now that we have our call list with contacts added, we can use the following buttons to manage our contacts. We can add a new contact to our list just as we did, import multiple contacts from a CSV file, copy or move contacts from one list to another, or delete contacts from your call list. As I mentioned earlier, we're now going to import more baseball team members as contacts into our baseball team list. Okay, let's click on the Import button so that I can import a CSV file that I have on my desktop. We're going to import a bunch of baseball team members into an existing list. We can replace the contacts that we already have in the list, or we can append to that list. Let's append to our list so that we can keep the two contacts that we already have. Okay, I'm going to browse to my desktop so that I can import a file that I saved earlier that contains the rest of the baseball team members. Okay, here's how the file looks when you open it. A CSV file is just a simple text file that contains lines with fields of values separated by commas. That's where the name CSV comes from comma-separated values. As you can see here, we have one baseball team member as a contact on each line listed with their name, last name, and phone number, all the data separated by commas. You can create your own CSV file from a simple text document, or you can just export any Excel spreadsheet that contains rows of names and phone numbers as a CSV file. Now that we've selected the file, let's go ahead and save and import the data into RingBlaster. Okay, here we see a preview of the raw data that has been imported. Now we need to let RingBlaster know how to map and associate its fields with the correct columns from the CSV file by selecting the correct fields in the drop-down menus. Now let's save this. Here we see that we've imported multiple contacts into our baseball team list. Using the buttons above the list, you can add a new call list, edit the current list, or delete the entire call list including its contacts. Okay, now that we've created a call list, we can start a call campaign by clicking on the campaign button here. Thanks for watching this video. For more information, visit us at ringblaster.com.